Greetings everyone, this is Jawar Khan, and in this lesson we're going to talk about Joomla CMS. Joomla is one of the well-known CMS out there, and this can be found at joomla.org. You can download it from here, and 3.8 is the latest version. This is our target application that is using the Joomla CMS, and we're going to target it in the next lesson. You can see the contents here, the login panel, and the rest of the stuff. So in the next lesson we'll learn how to pen test it. Greetings everyone, this is Jawar Khan, and in this lesson we'll learn how to detect a Joomla CMS. So we got a test application here that's using Joomla CMS. In order to detect if it's using Joomla, we can use Visualizer first. Visualizer can detect this kind of CMS. You can see the icon here. That's the icon of Joomla. And you can see the CMS here, it says Joomla. The same thing here in the favicon, in the icon of the application, you can see the Joomla icon there. We can even see the source code, and you can see that the generator says Joomla Open Source Content Management. That's the tagline of a Joomla CMS. If a site is using Joomla CMS, you will find this string in the meta generator. Next is the readme file. Some files are available in the default installation of Joomla CMS, and this is one of them. By accessing readme.txt, you can find some keywords that tells us it's a Joomla CMS, like this one. This is the readme file of a Joomla CMS. That tells us it's using Joomla. And of course the htaccess.txt file, it says package Joomla. Now another thing is Joomla is having the admin panel or the login panel in the administrator directory. So if we access it and it says Joomla, that simply means it's running on Joomla CMS. You can see it here, it's running Joomla. So that's how we detect a Joomla CMS. Greetings everyone, this is Jawar Khan, and in this lesson we'll learn how to detect a Joomla version. Basically, Joomla has a file called joomla.xml that contains information about the Joomla CMS being used. The file is located at administrator manifest files joomla.xml. This file contains each and every information about the default installation. We can see the version being used here. It's 3.6.4, created in October 2016, and the files that are available in this installation. And that's how we identify Joomla version. Greetings everyone, this is Jawar Khan, and in this lesson we're going to talk about Joomscan. Joomscan is basically a tool developed by OWASP in Perl. This tool is developed for testing and scanning a Joomla based web application. What this tool usually basically does is it scans for different components and checks if the site is vulnerable to any of them. So in the next lesson we're going to use Joomscan to test our target application.